Tornado warning for the following counties in Ohio: Warren County in north central Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeast Ohio, Erie County in north central Ohio, and Sandusky County in north central Ohio. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado and quarter-sized hail. The storm was located 15 miles west of Bremen and was moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bremen, Sandusky, Elyria, and Cleveland. This is a dangerous tornado. Move indoors and into a basement or most central part of your home. Stay away from the windows due to flying debris. If outdoors in a mobile home or vehicle, find the nearest substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or low-lying area.